So I want to take a minute to talk about these two lotions right here. One is Warm Your Soul and one is Cool Your Soul. And I started using these because the bottoms of my feet on like my heels and the pads of my feet and my toes, especially in my big toe, was getting really rough because I don't wear shoes around the house, outside, that kind of thing. And so they were getting really out of control. And I needed something that I could just put on and put socks on and be okay. So I use these at night. One warms and one cools. I will say this, they're definitely person to person, because I have some people tell me that they get really warm and some people tell me that they just get a little warm, and the same with the cool. Me personally, the warm one works better for me than the cool one, but they're really, really thick. They have a screw-off cap, and I have a puppy in my lap. Sorry, she's can't be away from mommy. Anyway, so they have a screw-off cap, which is really hard to do with one hand. There we go. And it's very thick. Like, you have to really squeeze, and you can see it come out. Anyway, see how thick it is? It's very, very thick. Anyway, I put about a dime size on my each problem area. Fixie stop. And that's what I use every night before I go to bed. And I do see a increased softening on these, and it smells very pepperminty. This is what it looks like. I've had this tube for a while, like when it first came out, and I've used not hardly any out of it, so they last a long time. Sorry for the darkness. They last a long time. The Warm Your Soul one, to me, is a lot more pliable, you see, and I think it goes on a little bit better. The Cool Your Soul, to me, is thicker, you know, a little bit more thick consistency. And that could just be me, it can be more personal, but I believe that's how it is. So anyway, these are great. I don't know if they'll be around for the catalog change, so my suggestion is, if you want to try it, definitely get it now. If you do want to try it, let me know. If you order directly from me, I will pay your shipping on this item for today only. So hit me up, ask me a question. Obviously the dog likes it. It's Vixie approved.